Dear students, Namaste. Let us come back to the chapter number 8, the third class. Now today I am going to discuss about your assignment. So dear students, these are the figures that I have given you in your assignment. Some of you have done 100% correct. Some of you have done little bit mistake, but most of you are not able to write the repeat command. So I thought, let me explain you for each of the figures, except the last one, F. Dear students, let us see the first figure. In this figure, the thought process is like this. We are seeing two squares sharing a common side. This is the common side. The turtle is in the middle of the two squares. One of the squares is on the right side, another is on the left side of the turtle. So we can give commands having two repeat commands, of course for making the square that we know. One having the RT, other will have the LT. So let us write without the using the repeat command first. So here CSST, FD40, RT90, FD40, RT90, you can see that this is going to repeat. As you know, this is going to repeat 4 times. Third and the fourth time. Now here this RT90, I am repeating it so that I can place the particular turtle in the starting position. Let me show you. So this is the starting position. So FD40, RT90, FD40, RT90, FD40, RT90, FD40. So if I stop here, of course my figure is done. But my turtle is not in the starting position, so that I can start the next. I should not go like this again, because if I go, then my repeat command will not be possible. So I will first make the first figure and place the turtle in the starting position like this, RT90. Therefore I have used this command. Be careful in the other particular commands also, where you are going to use the for the repeat, we have to place the turtle at the starting position. So in the next, now the turtle will turn to the left hand side. So we have LT90. So the pattern is like this: 1, 2 times, 3 times and 4 times. So the repeat command will be CS ST, repeat for FD40 RT90, then repeat for FD40 LT90, then HT. I hope you have understood this. We will see the next figure. Dear students, let us see the second problem. Here we have to first analyze the figure. There is a hexagon, and inside a hexagon there is a rectangle. The turtle is on the left side of the figure. So we can give commands having two repeat command. One to make hexagon and the other to make a rectangle. Either you can do it directly, or we can first simply write the command to draw a simple command to draw a hexagon and a simple command to draw a rectangle. But since we know that writing of the hexagon and the rectangle are easy, so we will start directly. CS ST repeat six FD40 RT 360 divided by 6. Then this is for the hexagon. Now for rectangle, it is repeat 2, FD40, RT90, FD70, RT90. Then HT. I hope you have understood this. Let us the next figure. In next figure, we will think like this. There are 4 lines. So first we have to find a pattern. Is the pattern here? We can superimpose, means we can place the first particular, if you see the first particular 2 lines exactly on the other 2 lines. So repeat is possible. But if you can't find the pattern, we will try to write the simple set of commands in such a way that we may find a pattern. So let's start. CS, ST, then FD40, BK40, then RT90, then PENUP, then FD20, then RT90, then pen down, then FD40, then BK40, then LT90, then PENUP, FD20, then LT90, then pen down. So my turtle reach now in this point. If you are not clear, you can use a turtle. See, I am using the turtle here like this. So see the commands: FD40, BK40, RT90, then FD20. So we have done PU, then pen down, then RT90, then FD40, then BK40, then LT90, pen up, then FD20, then LT90, pen down. So next set of command we'll try now. So we can start again from FD40, BK40, then RT90, pen up, then FD20, RT90, pen down, then FD40, BK40, LT90, pen up, then FD20, LT90, pen down. This set of command LT90, PU, FD20, LT90 and pen down. This set of command I am writing it purposefully. Of course there is nothing here. If I write, then obviously I am not doing anything, not drawing any line, but I am going to write the same set of commands which are there in the previously, so that I can use the repeat command. Now I can write the repeat. If you see, this is the first set of command and this is the second set of command which is being repeated. Therefore I can write the repeat command here. So my repeat command will be, now the HT I have written here, the repeat command will be CS ST repeat two times FD40 BK40 RT90 PU FD20 RT90 pen down, then FD40 BK40 LT90 PU FD20 LT90 and pen down. So in this way we can write the repeat command and we can write the HT. So I hope you have understood this. Dear students, see the next figure. In this figure there are three lines. Let us try to identify the pattern here. If you see it carefully, this line having a gap here. Now if I cut this line, this portion, I can place it on the top of this. Then again I can place this on the top of this. So the same particular pattern is being repeated three times. Let's see here. See it carefully. I am saying the commands now. Let me use the turtle. See, my turtle is here, the starting position. So first I have to do RT90. See, I have turned RT90. Then I have to move FD40. So I move FD40. Then I will turn LT90. Then pen up. Then pen up. Then FD20. Pen down. See, my turtle is again the same position as the starting one. So this pattern I think should repeat. So let us try. Let us now write the commands. Simple command where there is no repeat now. So let's start. CSST, then RT90, FD20, then pen up, then LT90, then FD20, now pen down. So by this I have reached this position. So let me write for this now. So again RT90, FD20, then pen up, then LT90, then FD20, then pen down. So I reached here. Next, RT90, FD20, now this set of command FD40, oh here it should be 40, FD40, here is also FD40. Now after this PU, now I reach here, but I will continue so that I can move the turtle here and I can complete the repeat. Of course, I am not drawing any lines, so it doesn't matter. I can write the command. So PU, then LT90, then FD20, then pen down and HT. So if you see here, the pattern is very clear. This is first, the same set of pattern command is repeating, and this. So 1, 2 and 3. So now my repeat command will be CS ST, repeat three, RT90, FD40, pen up, LT90, FD20, pen down, and then HT. I think you have understood it. Let us see the next figure. The thought process is like this. Now we have to find the pattern here. So if you see carefully, of course this is a little bit tough one. If you see carefully, this plus sign, okay, if I take this plus sign out, I will not take out this. Okay, if I take this plus sign out, and this line will be repeated and put it on it, then I'll get the same pattern. So let me show you here, and the starting point is here. So I can move in this way, FD40, then BK80, then again I will move up FD40, RT90. Now you have to be careful, the pattern I said you. Then if you move in this way, you can do, but I will turn to RT90, then I will go to FD40, FD30, then I will go directly to FD60, back, then LT90. So you can see my starting point was here, and again I am getting the same type of starting point here. So I think the pattern should be here now. I can move in the same way by saying the command. So let us try. CS ST, then FD40, BK80, as I said you, again FD40, then RT90, then FD30, then BK60, then LT90. So after this I reach here. So as I said, again the same set of command is going to repeat. Let's see. FD40, then BK80, then FD40, then RT90, then FD30. Now in this command, see, I was here, I'm drawing the same line again, it doesn't matter. Okay, so it doesn't matter, neither make it darker one, so no issues. So I reach here, now I'll go back, that is BK60, then LT90. So last one, my turtle was like this. So to complete the repeat command, I turn the turtle again to left turn so that my starting position is same as the previous two, so that I can use the repeat command. So I have written here LT90, then HT. So this set of command, this is first and this one is second. So this I am repeating 2 times. So now I can write the repeat command here. So CS ST, repeat how many times? 2 times. Repeat 2, FD40, BK80, FD40, RT90, FD30, BK60, LT90, then HT. I hope you have understood. So whenever the figure is given, if the repeat command is asked, you should think in this way so that we can get the repeat command. You have to try with different type of figures by yourself, then you will get expertise in this. So dear students, I hope and I'm sure that you have understood how to find a pattern in the given figure and to write the repeat command. Either you can see the figure and you can find the pattern, or you have to write down the commands, simple commands. While writing the command, you have to be very careful, because if you give a wrong set of command but you can draw the figure, then you may not able to use the repeat command. So try to find the pattern there. Once you can find the pattern, then only you can write the repeat command. If there is no pattern, then we can't write the repeat command. Remember this, it is not necessary that all the figures given you can write the repeat command to draw that figure. A pattern is must. If a pattern is there, if a repeated set of command is there, then only you can write the repeat command. Sometimes you may draw the figure with the help of only one repeat command. Sometimes you may use 2 repeat commands. Sometimes you may write 1 repeat command, then you may write a set of command, then you can write the other repeat command. This we will see in the next class. So dear students, thanks for your patience hearing. Have a nice time. Bye. See you in the next class. Till then, practice.